Hi guys, how are we doing? Welcome to my weekly analysis. I don't want to waste your time, so I go right into it. First of all, I want to check out. I don't want to go to USD first. Let's do JPY. So in the JPY index right now that we have, I have this consolidation move that has been here for a while, but broke out here, and I feel like this is coming back to hit our trend line here, which also have something like another block right about this area where it hits. So because of this break to the higher side, I can say maybe JPY might be strong for the week. Nothing is sure. So right now, if JPY is going to be strong, that means we can still have some kind of downward movement for all these pairs. So right now, I'm looking to short more on JPY index, on JPY pairs, GJ, EJ, and all. But I'll be looking for some kind of retracement, maybe all the way back to this trend line here. I can bring this down here. So all the way back to this trend line here, then I can look to short a little bit down. So if I have, okay, let me see if I can, okay, so something like this. Okay, yeah. So if I have something like this, yeah, yeah. So I have something like this. So a little bit of move up here to join this trend line, then I'm going to short it down. So it's going to be more of something like a short here. Stop loss just above here. Then trying to target this down movement. And the reason is because of that JPY strong movement. Same thing for AJ, guys. If this comes back to hit this trend line here, I'm going to shut down one too. So this is what I have for GJ and AJ. So let's go to the DXY pair. So for DXY, I think this is about to turn to a bullish move for DXY. It has just broken this high, right? So we can have some form of a retracement, but I will still recommend you, right, selling your AU, GU, EU for the week. You should be on a sell more than buying right now. This bullish movement on the news that came out on Friday is a very strong impulse to the upside. So you want to follow the trend. So if it's telling you it's strong right now, don't fight it. Don't sell it. So because of this, I will be looking to short this thing. So you can have some form of this trend line. So any retracement back to this trend line. So I have this daily move that I know, this daily trend line that is going to kind of retrace it back a bit, maybe back to either here or here. I have a support here that was just broken. Yeah, support that was just broken. So it's not going to be a resistance. So it can just retrace all the way here, then fall down some more. But what I will be waiting for AU especially is I want it to really break this trend line, come back to I'm looking for it to come below this my support level, come back there, then I'm going to short it well. maybe all the way down here. So like I said, you want to be on the short side. For GU is more clear, right? We already have a break of a trend line here. This is a very long trend line. It has been coming for a while. 1, 2, 3, and now it is broken. So what I'm looking for on GU is very easy. I even have a break of my support. So if this can come all the way back down to this area, hitting this trend line, I'm going to short it all the way down. At least I have a space here that I can see clearly. So my first target will be here. My first target will be here at this support level that was broken here. So if I can get a bit of a retracement back to this trend line, I'm going to short GU. I'm going to short GU. It can be here. It can be here. But I'm taking it all the way down here. Yes, I'm taking it all the way down here. So that would be my target. So G is still going to retrace a bit, but it's going to fall. So we can say maybe from here to here, it can be just the same movement. Can just retrace a bit, then fall down. Right. It can retrace a bit, then fall down. So that's what I'm saying. It can just try and retrace, maybe retest this trend line, then boom. So try to see if you can join the sell. So EU, same thing. We have a break. Because we have a break, same thing. I'm looking for a retest, joining this trend line. I'm going to write it down. So I'll be shorting AUG and EU whenever the time comes. If you are in my group, you understand that once I'm getting into a trade, I'm sending it to you. So we are in those trades together. And yeah, before I go, I have some bonus. So those bonus are going to be EuroCAD. EuroCAD, I have a sell on EuroCAD. I have a broken trend line, a retest of it to carry it all the way down here because I have another block that needs to be tested. Same thing for HotCAD. HotCAD, same thing, a retest. I know it's going to come back to this other block as well. Then GBP card, I'm looking for a sell as well, a kind of retest. It is going to come all the way down here as well to fill up the gap. So that's what I have. So you can see the gap, guys. So it's still going to come back down here. So that's what I have for you guys. Thanks for joining in. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.